then I received my parcel from Amazon. You guys must have seen in this my Amazon vlog. So I have ordered this Classmate Unruh notebook and these Luxure black pens and Pentonic black pens and few of the refills of Pentel Energel pen. So nextly I have this previous 9-year NEET solved paper book from Target publication. So basically this book contains previous 9-year NEET solved paper along with the solutions from 2013 to 2021, and there are in total of 13 previous year questions, and this book also includes 13 OMR sheets as well. So if we talk about what we have inside the book, so firstly we have this analysis tables of NEET papers. So the first table shows you the percentage of questions asked from +1 and +2. So this table will help you to understand like how many questions have been asked from a particular class. And next table will help you to understand like what type of questions have been asked, if the questions are straightforward or if they are concept based or if they require higher order thinking skills. So nextly we have this table which shows like how many questions have been asked from a particular chapter of physics in which year. This will help you to know like which chapters are more important. And in the same way the chemistry tables and biology tables are also given right here. So as you guys can see, the NEET UG 2013 question paper is given right here. So after the questions, the OMR sheet of the paper is given right here. So then we have the answers of all the questions. So the one thing that I like the most about the answers is that it includes from which class the question have been asked and from which part of NCERT the question have been asked and from which chapter, or more concisely from which page the question have been asked. So it will help you to know like what type of questions are asked in exam. So in this way, this book includes previous 9-year NEET questions papers along with the solution, and at the end of the book 13 OMR sheets are also given. So I will link this book down in the description box below, do check it out.